Okay, friends, so this is part 3 of the work in progress on Monday, the 13th of April 2020, Easter Monday. So today I've been working on this circle using Creamware, using Royal Creamware, which I was given about 4 years ago actually. A chap collected it. And it was all in a lovely cardboard box. And then one day decided to pick that cardboard box up and everything fell out of the bottom, breaking everything, bless him. So he knew that I used crockery for the use of, and I was the lucky one that got all of it. It was a bit of a bugger to cut up, but it's all right. Quite a few people on social media have said that it kind of looks like a ceiling rose, so that's really good because this was one of the places where I was going to put a ceiling rose on anyway. So I suppose they're going to look like a combination of ceiling roses, really. The other thing I did today was use this mosaic tile, which has an undulation, as you can see there, and that'll give a nice texture. And I've rearranged parts of it so that this and this shape met together. So that's the great thing about using mesh, is that you just pull it up and then re-glue it, which is gorgeous. So I've cut and shaped quite a few of the semicircles, the circles, and using faceted mirror and crockery as well. I've also used mirror to make a Celtic knotwork pattern using gold mirror and mirror. So that's been a bit fun. And yeah, and then I've used tile as well, traditional tile as well. So the next plan possibly is to cut up some gold edged plates and some gorgeous patterned plates as well. So that'll be the next plan. I don't know what I'm going to do next actually. I could do that, or I could work on this one, which is a bit fun. Maybe similarly to this one, perhaps. Who knows what the inspiration will take me. So this is what the work looks like so far. Speak to you soon. Bye.